Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back and I'm starting off right with a recipe video. This is my powdered sugar recipe. It's going to be part one of my funnel cake recipe, so just stay tuned for that. Let's get right into it. So here I am about to take 1 cup of granulated sugar. Place that into a coffee grinder. Now I've seen people use it in a blender, but I believe that this is like the best method for precise, blending. Now I'm just going to take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, so the ratio is 1 cup to 1 tablespoon. And y'all, please be very careful with this stuff. It is just messy. Actually, because you'll see later on the video that I got it on my shirt. It's all on my hands. So just be careful. So this part right here is not even necessary. Like, you don't have to shake it up to get the sides. Kind of defeated the purpose by turning it on this side. So the main thing is, do not take the top off unless it is completely done spinning. If you do, while it's still spinning, it will fly everywhere. So just be careful of that. That is literally it, guys. This is my powdered sugar recipe, part 1 of my funnel cake recipe. If you guys are interested in that, go head over to my channel and click that video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. See ya.